Hello, dear friends! We continue to learn Russian lexis, and today we'll learn food in Russian. Food – еда, еда. We've learned vegetables and fruits, and today we'll learn how to say some food and dishes in Russian. Let's start. Bread – хлеб, хлеб, and white bread – батон, батон. This is baton. Butter, масло, масло. And oil will be масло too. Cheese, сыр, сыр. Sausage, колбаса, колбаса. And sausage, сосиска, сосиска. And sandwich, bread plus butter and plus sausage, for example, or cheese, it will be бутерброд, бутерброд. Meat, мясо, мясо. Chicken, курица, курица. Pork, свинина, свинина. And one more meat, говядина, говядина. Fish, рыба, рыба. Then some more dishes, omelette, омлет, омлет. And there is one more type of eggs, яичница, яичница. Porridge, каша, каша. Pie, пирог, пирог. And cake, торт, торт. Торт is big cake and small cake, пирожное, пирожное. Then for tea, джем, 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 or варенье, варенье. Honey, мед, мед. Ice cream, мороженое, мороженое. Biscuits or cookies, печенье, печенье. And sweets, конфеты, конфеты. This is конфеты. One, конфета, конфета. That's all for today about food, and I'll tell you drinks in the next video. If you know some more food, because there are many types of food in the world, please write in comments. See you in the next video. Bye!